You won't believe the silence regarding the internal restructuring at xAI is finally over. Elon Musk has convened an all-hands meeting to give a definitive answer. This was the first 45-minute all-hands meeting presided over by Musk following the merger of xAI and SpaceX. Not only did he directly address the personnel changes, but he also announced an extremely radical restructuring plan and a civilization-level vision. Let's dive into exactly what was said in this meeting. If you don't have time to watch the whole thing, hit that save button now. The information here could impact your stock portfolio and the future of your job. First up, Musk addressed the sensitive issue of 6 co-founders leaving xAI over the past year. He was blunt. The core purpose of the restructuring is speed of execution. He explained that as the company scales, the organizational structure must evolve. The departures are a matter of stage fit, not poor performance. Some people are built for the 0 to 1 startup phase, but struggle with the high-intensity demands of massive scaling. Currently, only 6 of the original 12 xAI co-founders remain. Musk admitted it was a pity to part ways, but sent a clear signal. This isn't a crisis. It's the necessary evolution of a living organism. Behind these personnel changes is a major strategic pivot. Since merging with SpaceX, xAI's goal has shifted from understanding the universe to supporting space colonization and the Mars program. This requires engineering execution, not just pure academic research. Musk's logic is simple. If you run faster than everyone else, you will become the leader. Anyone slowing down the pace must be cut. To match this high-pressure pace, Musk announced splitting xAI into 4 major intelligence teams. 1. The Grok team. The goal here is a transition from a chatbot to a fully capable digital butler. Musk wants the R&D to focus on native multimodality, specifically a voice-first experience. He wants Grok to be like Samantha from the movie Her, with emotional intelligence and zero latency. The end game? To be the underlying operating system for your digital life, embedded seamlessly into the X app and the X Money ecosystem. 2. The coding team. This is where it gets scary. Musk set a near-impossible goal: end the era of human programmers by the end of 2026. He believes current AI coding tools are just half-finished products. The ultimate form is AI that skips human-readable code, like Python or C++, and generates binary machine code directly. If AI becomes a full-stack god, intermediate languages lose their meaning. 3. The Imagine team. Focused on data and simulation. This team is already outputting 50 million videos a day and 6 billion images a month. Their mission isn't just visual realism, but building a physics simulation engine that obeys the laws of physics. This will feed content to X and provide infinite virtual training grounds for Tesla's FSD, full self-driving. 4. The Macrohard team, a deliberate jab at Microsoft. Led by Toby Polin, this team is targeting white-collar automation. They are building digital human simulators, digital employees that can view screens, use a mouse and keyboard, and make decisions inside a virtual machine. Rumor has it xAI is testing scenarios with millions of digital employees working simultaneously to push efficiency to 10,000 times human limits. All of this supports the grand vision of interstellar compute. Musk believes Earth is a bottleneck for compute resources. His bold proposal? Move the AI satellite factory to the moon. Using the moon's low gravity, they plan to build a massive electromagnetic catapult system to launch AI satellites into deep space like cannonballs. These satellites will form a massive distributed compute cluster, harvesting solar energy without Earth's limitations. Musk even elevated this to a civilization-level quest. As this compute network expands, we might accidentally discover ancient alien ruins. It's no longer just about AI, it's about using compute to pry open the secrets of the universe. Finally, Musk flashed his war chest. X subscription revenue has hit $1 billion, proving the model works. Next comes X Money, a full banking ecosystem. But the real weapon is compute. Musk claims xAI now controls a compute cluster equivalent to 1 million NVIDIA H100 GPUs. In Silicon Valley, compute is power. From firing founders to building moon bases, this meeting was Musk's blueprint for a new era. It's a brutal survival of the fittest race where speed is everything. Whether it's programmers being replaced or digital workers taking over, we are all standing in the middle of this tidal wave. And honestly, it is absolutely crazy.